Okay, so I'm JJ, watching Reality Survival, and we're just going to do a real quick update on the chicken run. We are almost done. Not quite, but almost. So, only thing I need to do left on this door right here is I got to dig down, and I'm going to put like a probably a 2x10 or something like that, 2x12, just right across between the two pieces of concrete and sticking up a couple inches, so that creates a lip, you know, on the door there, so no diggers can kind of, you know, get in there or anything like that. We've got two hasps on it. We've also got a couple of springs on it. Keep the door closed whenever coming and going. I have almost all of the little runners filled. I've got another 5 that I got to do right here, and that's just to keep anything from crawling in between those spaces. But as you can see, I got the other ones done, and I've got some little roosts set up here. Kind of did them staggered so that they don't poop on each other. Those are just some old poles that I had laying around here. Got a couple more of those, and then we've got the fencing, and we also got everything fenced up here too from the top so that no hawks or anything can get them. And we've got fencing going down about 18 inches, 2x1 fencing, all along the edges so nothing can dig under the edge either. And then on this side, I went ahead and used 5/4 planks for like decking planks on this. That really cost a lot of money, but it really increased the stability and the durability of it. We get a really strong, you know, 60-70 mile an hour wind coming across here, and I didn't think using fencing planks would be enough. So we've also got some plywood up there, and we put the plywood up there so that the birds will have some shade. We're gonna burn all this. This is all junk that we took out of the barn as we've been cleaning it up. And then this is the chicken run, or where the chicken run's gonna be. I found this old glass door, and I think that I'm gonna use that right there. I think it'll be kind of neat. It fits pretty good. I'll have to do some fill in on the side right here, but it shouldn't be that big of a deal. So when we're finished with this, we'll have some little places for them to roost and stuff up over in here. Probably have some nesting boxes and stuff over here, and then some food and water buckets over in here, something like that. I've got to fill in this hole here. I'm going to do that with that piece of plywood probably tomorrow. And then I got to cut a hole and make a door for the little birds to go in and out of, and we'll be ready to go. That'll be it. We'll be ready for birds. We got I guess we got about a dozen hatching eggs that seem to be doing okay at this point. We had some issues with our incubator, but anyway, I'll go over that all in a separate video for you. Anyway, guys, just a real quick update on the chicken run, the chicken coop. As always, I definitely appreciate it when you click the thumbs up button, when you share it with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. And don't forget to live the 6 P's. Proper prior preparation prevents poor performance. Stay safe, guys.